Look what I found! Wow, that's amazing! Look! What is that? Oh my! It's glowing! Ah, look at this! They're amazing! Wow, I've never seen anything like them. Maybe they lead to something more. Come on, Spikky, hurry up! Wait, slow down, Dodo. Whoa! Careful, Spikky! Thanks, Dodo. Look, the sparkles are leading us. A waterfall? It's huge! And there's something behind it. What cave? Come on, Spikky, it's safe! I don't know, Dodo, it's so wet! We're almost there! Whoa, look at this place! I feel something powerful up ahead. Stay close to me, Spikky. It's very bright. I don't know, Spikky, it looks really slippery.
Don't worry, Dodo. Just follow me. It'll be fine. Don't move. Just take it slow. Step back.
I can't. It's cracking.
You can. Just move slowly. That's it.
Wow. Look at all of these golden crystals. They're glowing. It's magical. Wow. It's so beautiful. I've never seen anything like it. What is that glowing? Be careful, something is wrong. Spikky, look out! Run, the pool is glowing.
What is happening?
It's rising. We're in trouble. Over here, Dodo. Spikky, it's rising. To the ledge, quickly. Oh, that was close. We made it. It's safe now. Look at the light. It stopped. Look. It's beautiful. We're safe. We're safe. It's happening. Wow, it's so bright. Look at it rise. Amazing. Spikky, it's for us. It's glowing for me too. It knows our names. You can do this. I feel it. Something has changed. Oh, look! It's touching the bag. Wow, it's glowing. We made it through. Together. Ah! Look at what's happening. Wow, it's glowing. I did it. I knew it would work. You did. It's beautiful. Together we did it. Yeah. Yes. We were brave. Together we did it. Yes. And that's what truly matters.